This is the new Google Fitbit Air Stephen Curry edition. Stephen Curry's name on it. Hold on. Okay. So this is the band. It's nice. It's got Stephen Curry's name again on it. Says #login Google Fitbit Air Special Edition. And it is Velcro, as you can hear. And I believe this little pebble is the actual device. Minimal branding. Got the G by Google. Material wise, this is very nice actually. It's Velcro, but it also feels like the inside of a basketball shoe. The closest thing I can compare it to would be like a bat tongue type of material. It's very, very grippy. It does have a little quote by Stephen Curry: dedication, hard work, and just importantly, finding joy have powered my journey. Let's lock in and power yours. Okay. Okay. Let's see if there's anything in here. No. Okay, what else do you get in the box? Charging cable. It looks like a little docking system. You just yep, it's magnetized, just locks in. So that's pretty much it you get in this box. Minimal band, and if you go on Google right now, you'll find many deals going on where you can get, instant trade-in and whatnot, and this one will run you $130. But they do have promotion going on that if you trade in, you do get store credit plus the instant trade-in. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what my review will be, whether or not this is a keeper, a replacement for a Samsung watch, or going forward. Okay, all right, that's it.